Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about the flower of Christmas Eve, what we in English typically call the poinsettia. Again, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, if you're interested in purchasing any of the 10 books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. The Aztecs used the poinsettia, what they called cutalazzuchil, to produce a reddish-purple dye and as medicine to reduce fevers. Their origins were attributed to a tribe called Chontales that didn't want to pay taxes to Montezuma, causing Montezuma to wage a bloody battle against them near today's city of Taxco. Following the flight, the road was strewn with corpses and bloody footprints, and from this blood bloomed hills of red flowers in the spirit of the victims' purity and new lives. This fostered the Aztec belief that dead soldiers came back to earth as butterflies or hummingbirds to feast on the red flower. Having poinsettias on former battlefields became commonplace. A more modern legend is from the 1500s, when Juan and Maria were poor children living in the countryside. Come Christmas Eve, they want to present baby Jesus with a gift in the church, but have no money. Just then, an angel appears, instructing them to present some weeds to baby Jesus. They are aghast, but smart enough not to argue with an angel. Once in the church, said weeds were placed by baby Jesus, and they miraculously transformed themselves into the poinsettia, or how it is called here, the flower of Christmas Eve. The little songbooks used during San Miguel de Allende's Posadas often feature Juan, Maria, and the flower on the cover. Starting in the 1600s, Franciscan friars in San Miguel de Allende included the plant in their Christmas posadas and celebrations. The star-shaped leaf pattern symbolized the Star of Bethlehem, and the red color represents the blood sacrificed through the crucifixion of Jesus. Having lived in the Carolina Lowcountry, Charleston was the biggest city around and home to many former residents of the first American ambassador to Mexico, Joel Poinsett. He is remembered for having brought the red flowering plant back to the United States in 1825. That became a Christmas-time favorite and named for him, poinsettia. In today's world, red remains the most popular color, accounting for roughly 3/4 of all sales. Followed by white and pink, there are more than 100 varieties of poinsettias, come in a range of colors from red, salmon, apricot, yellow, cream, and white, to unusual speckled or marble variations of several colors blended together. New varieties are introduced each year. Poinsettias remain the highest-selling potted flowering plant. San Miguel de Allende has a yearly parade for the poinsettia queens of various ages to open the Christmas Eve spectacular each year held there on Plaza Civica. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below, and you'll get notification of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's Secrets.